Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I created this look. If you would want to know how I created it, then please keep on watching. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. To start off with, I'm gonna use this Freedom Pro palette in the shade Chasing Rainbows and take that blue shade and apply it all over my crease and little above my crease, not too high but little higher than my crease. And I'm using a fluffier blending brush for this, and I'm not taking too much of the product but taking a little by little of it and working with it so that I don't struggle with it. So once that is done, I'm gonna take this Freedom Pro palette in the shade Dreamcatcher and take this black shade that you see here, and using a flat shaded brush I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. I'm not winging the black shadow out but just keeping it very simple just on my lid. Apply it all nicely, just pack the color. So after this, I'm going back to the Chasing Rainbows palette and taking this vibrant blue, and I will be blending both the color, like the transition and the black shade, using this blue. So this looks really vibrant. You can switch over with any color, like I've used blue. You can use any other color that you would want to. Just blend it all nicely. I'm gonna use a kajal, just normally how you do your waterline. Apply some kajal, and I'm gonna take the fluffier brush and take the blue and black shade together and blend it to my lower line as well. After that, I'm gonna take this light blue shade and apply it on my waterline, as you guys can see how I'm doing it. Since we're working with darker color, your eyes might look a little dull, so I thought I'll just add this color on my waterline so that it just pops my eyes. As you guys can see the difference, and applying it to my inner corners as well. And then finally I'm gonna apply some mascara. You can apply anything. I'm using the Essence Big Lash Mascara. If you want, you can add lashes, but I'm not doing it. I really loved the way it looks right now, so I just left it as such. And for my blush, I'm using this one from Maybelline. This is in the shade Peach Babe. So this is a cream blush. You apply it, blend it however, you can tone up or tone down as per your wish. And for my highlight, I'm gonna use a silvery highlighter. So this is from the Makeup Revolution Trio, and I'm gonna use this silvery highlighter to highlight all my high points of my face. So you can also use a golden one. It's according to your preferences. I thought I'll use silver because I have no golden going on. So yeah, it's according to your wish. And then to finish off the look, I'm gonna use this lip shade from Maybelline. So this is in the shade 80 Ruler. I really did not like the formulation of this lip shade, but I really loved the color, but this formulation somehow did not work for me. So once the lip shade is done, that's the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video and stay in touch, and I'll see you with another one. Till then, take care. Bye.